Uh, Hello everybody, this is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have Ford Escape 2008. A used computer was installed in this car. As usual, the engine computer go bad, not because just like that, but most of the time the coils unblock. Yeah, they make a lot of problems for this. They go bad and they destroy the computers. So if that happen, before that happen, try to change the computer. I try to change your coils in a preventive maintenance. It will be better.
This car is
not,
overcharging.
Yeah, but I'm talking about overcharging also is one of the reasons.
Overcharging. We put 2-3 alternators ready, and the car is still charging, overcharged 20.
Okay.
19
so
points.
We have that's too much.
Yeah, that's too much.
And computer is commanding the.
Yeah, the computer is already
commanding that one.
Okay,
so now this is 2008. So I thought that they changed it because of the coil, but this one here they say overcharging. So right now they put another one. We're gonna check and see. Hopefully everything will be okay. Most of the time, some cars they need a parameter reset. This is the VIN number that I have. I believe if you just program the key, the security, you will have a problem with this VIN number is not right. You see 5273. Do you have the VIN number ending with what on this car? If you just program the key, the car will start, but you will have a problem of ABS light on. So VIN mismatch. So ignition is on.
0557.
I'm gonna turn on again. 05 what?
0557, the last numbers.
Okay, so this is wrong. So I'm gonna say no, this is not the VIN number. The one I have it here is 52. Okay, give me the right VIN number. Can you read it for me?
Okay, it's 1 Frank.
1
M Maria.
Charlie. 1 Frank. M as in Maria. Charlie.
U.
Umbrella.
94.
4
12 number 8.
1 2 8 Kilo. George. 40
557.
557. This is the most important in this system. So I'm gonna go. Okay, the VIN was incorrect. Let me go again. 1F. Hold on. Maybe I have to go back.
Okay.
Hold on. 1 Frank Mary Charlie Umbrella 94128 Kilo George 40557.
I repeat you. 1 Frank Maria Charlie Umbrella 94128 Kilo Charlie.
Oh, okay, Charlie. Hold on. I put George.
Charlie 40557.
Okay, that's why maybe. It say it's not correct. Okay, let me do something. Charlie. I don't see Charlie. Charlie after what?
Charlie 40557.
Okay, Charlie. Okay. Cancel. I believe I have to go back and come back again. Don't come here. Don't come here. Don't come here. Don't come here. I'm gonna shut down everything here.
Okay.
Come other side.
I want to show the paperwork, I think.
Yeah, but I have to do something here.
Big number.
I have to do something. Okay, now I'm gonna write it down. Go with me. Just read it for me again from there, or take a picture and bring it for me. One. I use the keyboard. I wrote it down again. Let me see what's gonna happen. Next. Yes. So I will say yes. This time is okay. Connect. Do you have internet? You say yes, I have internet.
Mohammed?
I gotta be sure.
Internet connected.
Okay, I'm gonna wait here. So I'm gonna say yes. Be sure that you have a good power, battery charging.
Somebody looking for you.
Okay, they are always looking for me. I have to hide. Okay.
This guy coming over there.
So we're gonna wait. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key off. Click next. Okay, VIN to VIN. Let's go to the VIN again. The one that we say is ending with what? 55 something. This is not the VIN.
55.
Now this is the VIN, yes. Now he give me the choices. Install the new computer. Say yes. Go. So we're gonna try to communicate with it and put the data inside. This is gonna take some time, but we're gonna wait. Turn the ignition on. As soon as you turn the ignition on, procedure for the erasing will start. Here is spinning. Now the programming start. This one, it will program the computer. So we're gonna wait. It will go like this till it finish. So now we are downloading the software. Just give you a quick brief. This car here, it have a tendency of burning coils. The coil, when it burn the computer, and that the computer. But on this car here, it say it's charging, it's overcharging. Okay, thank you. So let's see. So it's overcharging. So we're gonna look at that one, and we're gonna wait for the computer to finish the programming. I believe the programming is done already. So it command to turn the key off. I will turn the key off, and now say okay. Maybe that the reset procedure. Turn the ignition on. Turn it off. Calibration check. When you click OK, it will tell you this is the calibration number. Okay, I'm gonna turn the ignition on. You cannot start it because security. Look here. I already have 2 keys, so what you need to do is go back here. You're gonna clear the codes. When I say turn the key on. Now it will clear the codes. Now after the code cleared, you can go back to the next functions, which you have to program the security.
Is there?
No, I'm not yet finished. Here is doing it now. All Fords with the same year model. This is a connection. This is the way. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, I will go back here. I'll go to body, security, functions, next. This is the key. Ignition on, 10 minutes. So we're gonna wait for 10 minutes again. to do the key. Most of the time you need 2 keys if the security is in the cluster, because right now we need to, sometimes you need a parameter reset, but let's go. We're gonna do the parameter reset or ignition key code erase and program. Okay, we are here now waiting. Ignition is on, but you notice that the cluster is completely black. That means it's in a programming mode. Interior light is on. Try to close the door to avoid any accessory on voltage consumption. To consume more voltage while you are programming, you need to save it. Put a battery charger if you have. Also, please, if you have this kind of those things that people put it to show the car good, please don't put it on the steering column there. It will deviate the frequency and the car may not start. It happened in another car, especially the Hondas. So we're gonna wait here a little bit for the data to finish. Now I'm gonna say okay, security guarantee. What do you want to do? You see you have parameter reset. I'm gonna do parameter reset first. This is 2008. You must do parameter reset for the computer. Okay, ignition is on. Okay, now I gotta go back. I do one thing more. I do ignition key code erase because I have 2 keys to program. You need 2 keys. It's gone. So now we're gonna wait a little bit. You see the security light. I'm gonna turn the key on, off. Take the key out. Put it back. Turn the key on. Security light will stay steady. Never go away. Waiting for the next key. You see here. Stay there. So I'm gonna take this one out. I already prepared regular key. Put it in. Turn the ignition on. You see that light supposed to go off. Now car start. My car start. Now we're gonna see if the voltage is gonna go high or is okay. I am not sure. Okay. Yeah. You can see it from the data here. You see also the VIN number is changed. I gotta go here. Data log. Okay, please, can you stop the music? Hello? Thank you. Okay, PCM. I just want to see if the charging system. I just want to see where the battery charging system, because they say they have battery charging issue. I want to go down to see how much voltage I have on the battery. Those are the battery is 14. Now it's good. 14, 15. It's too much also. You see here? Charging too much. Charging 15.94. 16, 15.94. Maybe the battery itself is no good. Let me do something here. Yeah, it's charging too much. Put it on.
That's it. That's good, man.
That's good?
Yeah. Before it was 19.
No, 19 is too much.
Yeah, 19, 20. That was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was good.
Give gas. Give gas.
Huh?
Give some gas. 19, 20 is too much. You go to 16.2 is too much. Yeah, can you give me, let me put a battery jumper. Sometimes the battery also can create that.
Battery here.
Huh?
Brand new battery. But the other one, the light come out right away.
Oh yeah?
I don't see the light anymore.
Okay. So drive it, test it. If everything is okay, if it's not, where is the alternator located?
Alternator is right here.
Here, right? Huh? How many wire going to the alternator?
It's good.
Good? Okay. Drive it, and if it's anything, then we take it from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.